Hi, I'm Ninja Dam and I'm really hungry, so I could make cookies right now. Cameraman, hi, what? Can you lend me your body? Okay. Yeah, I forgot to say it, but you need to put butter and sugar. The two sugars. So yeah, I forgot it. Wait, why I'm talking? Oh yeah, fusion. Now we mix. Um, I need to say, cameraman, your work's really hard. Oh, thank you. Why you said in this weird way? I don't know. You are still doing it. Okay, I will stop. Well, this butter I really don't want to mix with the sugar, so I will cut, and when I finish it, we'll be back. So after you mix, it should be looking something like this. I don't know, I'm mixing just to show you. So continuing, you will need, so now you put carefully the egg while you beat it. And some interesting fact, I only have two hands. Or no, I don't know, right? So, how I'm doing it? Comment down below how. The ideas, right? And if you got it right, I will make a special thank you on the next video that I don't max produce. So yeah, I think now it is good enough, looking creamier than before. So now to the next step. So now that you have that thing, you start to add flour little bit by little bit. I think it should be something near to 2 cups or something like that. I don't know really. So this will take a moment, okay? I think I will return later when I finish doing this. This will take a little bit. There's still almost a whole cup. So now for the finish, you just put one of the small spoons, a teaspoon of the baking thing you put and grow. Sorry, I forgot the name. So now you get it and mix. It's better to do it with 2 hands. But now you just mix it and put the chocolate after. And then bake it. Bake on it. Baking the bacon and baking it. Okay, I think I'm needing help. So now you just cut the chocolate. in small bits and pieces. This is a good name for song. If anyone wants to make a band and put a song in a name, you could. So you just cut the chocolate and then you bake it. There's not much secrets to it. So after you get the chocolate pips for the chocolate pip cookies, you will turn them into a ball and preheat the oven at 15 minutes, 180 Celsius. If you use Fahrenheit, go find a better measure. So I know these don't have much of chocolate chip looking, but inside have a lot. I used it half this cookie batter and half chocolate, so yeah, a lot of chocolate. But now we'll get the crispier one or burnier, and I will try to make a milkshake with cookie toppings. Wait, why my headband's here? Ah! Who are you? Um, I'm Dumb Monster. I'm basically your son. Weird? Genetics, right? So, do you want a cookie? Yes, of course. So that is it? Yeah, I think so. Goodbye. Do you want a bite of my cream ice sandwich? Okay. Well, it is really great. What did you do? You just bit half of my sandwich. Okay then. Bye, Dad. Bye, son. Why did I say with this voice? Probably dad instincts. Or something like that. I don't know, I'm not a dad. Did, 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 did I arrive on time? No, the episode is ending now, so goodbye. Wait, what? I need to say something.